Welcome back, my dear students of class 10. My dear student, I am Rajendra Raya from LPM Public School, Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. My dear student, today topic is the variation. Variation means you can say bhinnata in Hindi. So different types of the uh, variants get produced as a result of the little bit changes in the DNA blueprint. So my dear students, you have to see this topic that do organisms create exact copy of themselves. So answering this topic, you have to see very clearly from the NCERT book that organisms look similar because their body design is just because their body design are similar. If body design are to be similar, the blueprint for these design should be similar. So if the blueprint is similar, then the design will be similar. Reproduction at its most basic level will involve making copies of the blueprints of the body design. Means this is the basic level for the body design, that there should be a blueprint. In class 9, you learned that the chromosomes in the nucleus of a cell contain information for inheritance of features from parents to the next generation in the form of the DNA, that is deoxyribonucleic acid molecules. The DNA in the cell nucleus is the information source for the making protein. So this is very important line, dear students. This is very important line, and as far as this line is concerned, you have to see it. You have to see the thing that you have to see the things that just sharing this screen to you, my dear students, and the DNA in the cell nucleus is the information, that is the information source for making proteins. So this making proteins, you have to underline this. So my dear students, these proteins are the different types of the genes that get manufactured in the cell by the ribosomes. If the information is changed, then different protein will be made. So if the DNA will give the different information, then there will be the different protein manufacturing will be there. So different protein will be made. My dear students, this important line that has to be understood by you, and different protein will eventually lead to alter body design. So this different protein, dear students, mark it. This is very important. That is why I am emphasizing on this. So this different protein will eventually lead to alter. That different protein eventually lead to alter the basic body design. Therefore, a basic event in the reproduction is the creation of a copy. Cell use cells use chemical reactions. This line that has to be understood by you, my dear students. Therefore, a basic event in the reproduction is the creation of DNA. Means the replication of the DNA takes place in the cell, and cells use the chemical reactions. Cells use the chemical reactions to build the copy of their DNA. To build the copy of their DNA. That create two copies of the DNA in the reproducing cell, and they will be separated from each other. However, so DNA replication takes place, and this newly formed DNA is separated from the original, this one. However, keeping one copy of the DNA, mind it, means that is carrying one copy of the DNA in the original cell and simply pushing the other one out would not could have any organized cellular organism to maintaining the life process. My dear student, come to this line that the two cells, these two cells means two cells get divided as a result of the DNA replication. So the DNA replication, DNA duplication, you can say the DNA duplication, and this results the duplication of the means division of the cell. So when number of DNA will increase, then there will be the increase in the chromosomal number, and there will be when the chromosomal number will increase, then increase by double, then there will be the division of cell. So dear students, when two cells form, these two cells are of course similar. These two cells are of course similar, but are they likely to be absolutely identical? But are they likely to be absolutely identical? But are they likely to be absolutely identical? The answer to this question will depend on how accurately the copying reaction involved occurs. The answer to this question will depend on how accurately the copying reactions involved occur. The answer to this question will depend on how accurately the copying reactions involved occur. And no biochemical reaction is absolutely reliable. Dear student, once again, these two cells are of course similar, but are they likely to be absolutely identical? Are they similar in the structure, but is it possible that they are the identical? The answer to this question will depend on how accurately the copying reactions involved occur. It means at what extent, at what percentage the copying is making during the replication. No biochemical reaction is absolutely reliable. In this case, my dear friend, we can say that no any biochemical is absolutely reliable. There may be some differences, there may be some slight variation. Therefore, 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 it is only to be the expected that the process of copying the DNA will have some variation each time. It means whenever DNA gets replicated, whenever chromosome gets replicated, whenever reproduction takes place, then every time there will be the slight variation. There will be the slight variation at each time, which results the DNA copy generated will be the similar but may not be identical to the original. Means DNA will be the same, but that will be not identical to the original. Some of these variations might be so drastic that new DNA copy cannot work with the cellular apparatus. These DNA might be so drastic that the new DNA copy cannot work with the cellular apparatus. It inherits. Such a newborn cell will simply die. So, if variation takes place, then there will be no chance of the survival of that particular cell. On the other hand, there could still be many other variations in the DNA copy that would not lead to such a drastic outcome. It means some variations are there in the DNA which does not result the death of that particular cell. Thus, the surviving cells are similar to, but subtly is different from each other. Thus, the surviving cells are similar, but little bit they are different. This inbuilt tendency for the variation, during reproduction is the basis for evolution. So, this line is very important. That is the basis for evolution. And this tendency of the variation leads to the evolution, as we will discuss in the next chapter, that is the evolution. So, my dear students, the importance of the variation now, let us see. Let us see the importance of the variation. My dear students, the importance of the variation is to produce the most suitable organism that get adapted in the different circumstances, in the different environment, in the different ecosystem, using their ability to reproduce. And the consistency of the DNA copying during the reproduction is important for maintenance of the body design features that allow the organism to use that particular niche. Niche means that particular place. So, reproduction is therefore linked to the stability of population of species. My dear student, one thing more that I would like to highlight you here, that an organism, the survival of an organism is depend upon the adaptability in the environment, in a particular environment. For example, take the example of flying fish. So, if predators are preying the fishes, then the adaptation takes place in so many long time, and that adaptation tells that the certain changes in the fins, means fins get stronger as compared to earlier, and that fish can jump for a certain distance, that flight with the help of their fins, and that fins partially modified into the wings. So, for a certain distance that fish can fly, and By this, you can understand the importance of the variation takes place in the organization. Thank you very much, my dear students. Be in preparation. Have a good day.